Hello everybody, welcome back to another amazing video like this one. As you guys can tell what we are doing today, we are outside in the weather, as well as I'm going to be basically showing you guys what I've been dealing with as a landscaper and snow removal person in this time that we're normally supposed to have snow, but there's nothing, and instead we just get a big giant windstorm. So let's get right into it. If you guys are new, please subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, comments down below, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell. That way you guys are updated of my newest video. But let's get right into it. As y'all can see, we are currently in the windiest town that I think is possible, which is Palmer, Alaska, which is where my business is based at. And if you guys can kind of hear, oh, right, I'm first. It is sort of windy. We're supposed to have this wind from today all the way until basically Monday. So yeah, this is lovely. And they say that we're supposed to have between, I believe, 50 to 80 mile per hour winds. They said 60 plus, but who knows if that's more. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys. We're currently going to some more of Palmer, but last time that we had a windstorm, it was very powerful. We had about 90 mile per hour winds here, and it was disturbing. We had our power that was out for a little bit, about a day, and the Palmer city was basically almost blacked out and took them a while. But as y'all can see here, the heck? Something green was just flashing at my truck. That's weird. But as you all can see, it is sort of windy. I mean, I don't know if you guys can really see. We'll try and pull into a parking lot here. Maybe over here, that way I can show you guys and get out. We're gonna go in the Matsu Urgent Care here parking lot. But you can kind of hear it hitting my truck a little bit. Alright, so let's go outside. So this is what the wind currently sounds like out here. Got the trees moving. And apparently they say the wind chills are supposed to get even more colder. So, which is lovely, meaning that apparently frostbite can happen a lot more quicker than usual, which is not that good. But I think we might just go actually deeper into Palmer and show you guys a little bit more here. But you guys should have seen it. It was very scary looking, and yeah, there would be street lights that would be out, and hopefully that doesn't happen this time. But I mean, you guys can see that over there. Got some power lines that are shaking, and some weird little twigs that are moving. But yeah, so let's just go ahead. Also, don't mind my head right now, but apparently there's also been some stuff that's been happening as well, as in, gotta fix my hair here. What's it called? Yeah, some signs have been falling. Stuff was flying off of cars. Literally, they still haven't repaired it yet. Some signs are still missing, but yeah, there's some trash that's also rolling around here and whatnot. Yeah, if you guys can see that, there's some trees moving. We're exploring right now, Palmer. So this is just me going 50 miles per hour out here. And just my hand being out in the cold for like 5 seconds, it almost feels as if I'm gonna get frostbite. Cold, y'all. Cold, cold, cold. Well, this is about as windy as it looks like it's getting for tonight. We might get some more. Oh, that's weird. But, yeah. Like this, actually, let me flip the camera around for you guys. This whole area that I'm currently at, which is at the gas station, was completely black. If you guys can imagine that, it was completely black. I should have recorded that for you guys when that happened. But yeah, completely black here. Who knows if it might get stronger in the next couple of days, because as I told y'all, it's supposed to last until Sunday, or no, Monday, possibility, but yeah, we will see. But as of now, I'm gonna end the video for you guys. If you guys did like this, please subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And yeah, have a good day or night. Bye bye.